day everyone, my name is Monica Arame A. Corpus. So today I will be going to summary my topic, which is preschoolers' artistic development. So preschool years is their interest to draw and to make other forms of artistic expression. So we have a different stages of drawing for early child. First is scribbling stage. Children at this stage are engaged in physical activity of drawing. For example, uncontrolled lines and squiggles, no recognizable shapes or letters, or wavy lines. Second is pre-schematic stage. Children at this stage of the artistic development are beginning to see connections between the shapes that they draw and physical around them. For example, they draw a simple basic shapes like lines, circles, squares, and limited understanding of proportion and perspective, and emerging use of colors and textures. And the third is schematic stage. Children at this stage have a clearly assigned shapes to object that they are attempting to communicate. For example, they draw a stick figure with head, body, limbs, and facial features, or they draw animals basic dog with ears, tails, and legs, or they draw a houses. And I will be also discussing the preschooler nutrition and sleep. The preschooler's nutritional status is the result of what nutrients he or she actually takes in check against the nutritional requirements for his or her age. And it is important for preschoolers to get sufficient amount of rest and sleep. Preschoolers benefit from about 10 to 12 hours of sleep each day. So, the benefits of adequate sleep preschoolers are the physical growth and brain development and immune system and so on.